name is Kyren and welcome back to the LGBTQ Resource Center. Today I have another craft video for you and we'll be making Loom bracelets. So hopefully you can keep up and we'll make some cool bracelets. So first, what you're going to want to do is you want to take your first band that you have here, and then you're going to wrap it on one finger, and then you're going to twist it so that it crosses over like that, and then you'll bring it up onto your other finger so that it looks like that. Next, you're going to take your next color, which in this case is white, and you're just going to pull that over top. Don't twist it, just leave it as is, and pull that over both your fingers as well, so then you have that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your third color, and you're going to do the same thing as the white, and you're just going to pull it over both fingers, just like that. So now that you have this 3-band pattern right here, what you're going to do is you're going to take this bottom band on both sides, and you're going to pull it over into the center. So that is your starting place right there. That's how you start a Loom bracelet. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to go back to your first color. You can do this in multiple ways too. You can do 3 of the same color, then 3 of the same color, then 3 of the same color, just so long as you make sure that you start it this way and continue the pattern that you want to continue. And then I will take the white here, I will pull that over into the center, just like that. And then I will take another white band, pull that over, and then I will pull over the green band to the center. And that is your first 3 pattern pieces on your Loom bracelet. So I'm going to do a time lapse here and show you guys how it takes shape. So now that I've been doing this for a while, this is kind of what it's starting to look like. When it starts to get really close together, just take it by the beginning piece and pull it out and stretch it a bit, and then it'll start to actually form your shape of your bracelet. So this is kind of what it looks like after working on it for a while. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and finish it so that I can show you how to finish off a bracelet. Alright, so this is what I got for my bracelet so far. Make sure and measure it so that, you know, with it stretching and stuff, it's going to fit. So this one is pretty good size. It'll fit. So to finish off, what you're going to want to do is this piece. You don't have to match it exactly. You can end with the green. But I do like to end with the same color that I began with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this black band, and then I'm going to pull over the white, pull over the green, and then what's going to be different from this is I'm going to take this black and I'm going to pull it over to the other side, just like that. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your clip, which is one of these things, just little plastic clear clips. You can get colored ones too so that they match your bands, but you're going to take it and you're going to attach it like that to the band, and you're going to let go. And then same thing on the other side. You'll pull this band out at the beginning chain that you started, just like that, and then you go ahead and clip that onto there, and then that completes your bracelet. There's a whole bunch of different designs that you can do with these bracelets. I'll link a couple extra videos in the description so that you guys can do multiple patterns and designs with these. It's not super time consuming. I think it's a lot of fun to do during downtime. So yeah, there's your craft for today.